Hi, I'm Wendy with Nashville Restoration, and I'm going to talk about frozen latex paint. This paint is frozen solid, and it's been frozen solid for 3 days. So if you have frozen paint, what you want to do is let it thaw slowly. Don't try to speed up the process by putting it in warm water or putting it in a really warm room. Just let it come back naturally. I just took this paint and brought it inside. This gallon and these 4 quarts, the gallon ended up being good, and 3 of the 4 quarts ended up being good. The one on the far right that I'm dipping into right now had lumps in it, and that is the first sign that your paint is bad. It has lumps. This is really lumpy, really bad paint. This one definitely bad. Could tell it as it defrosted. You do not want to use this, and you couldn't use it. This was also frozen, and this is good paint. As you can see, it flows off the stick. So here's a big lump out of the other one, but I'm going to shake it up and show you how bad this paint actually is. You can see rather large lumps coming out of this can. This is probably not going to work out. Were they smaller lumps and only smaller lumps, you can actually filter some of those out through pantyhose or through a paint filter, but I'm going to shake this up and kind of show you why it's not going to blend together and be okay. These large lumps, it's actually kind of like clay. There's really nothing you could do to make this paint good again. It's got too many lumps in there, and as you can see, this one is rather large, and I'm going to show you how it's just chalky and yucky. So those are my frozen paint tips. If it has lots of big lumps, it is no longer good. If it has lots of little tiny lumps, it is no longer good. If it only has a few small lumps, you can filter those out. The most important tip is to let your paint defrost slowly. Do not try to speed it up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos, and please like and subscribe.